In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product animation promo video in Canva. 5 minutes. We'll build a clean, eye-catching promo from start to finish using simple tools you already have in Canva. Start by opening Canva and signing in. On the homepage, use the search bar to find video, then pick a template that matches your vibe or choose a blank canvas if you want full control. Templates are great for speed. A blank canvas is perfect if you have a strong layout in mind. Next, upload your product photos or clips. Drag them straight onto your design and roughly position the hero product where you want viewers to focus. To highlight the product, select the image, choose Edit Photo, and use BG Remover to cut out the background. This is a pro feature, so if it's not available, keep your original background or use a high contrast backdrop. Place the cutout product on a fresh page so you can build a clean hero scene. Add a background color or pull a gradient from elements. Pick colors that align with your brand and ensure solid contrast with the product. Now create visual interest. From elements, add shapes, blobs, or themed photos, like fruit slices for a beverage, then arrange them behind the product. Use size, rotation, and layering to frame the subject without clutter. Add text boxes for your product name, a few key features, and a clear call to action. Keep headlines short, choose legible fonts, and set hierarchy with size and weight. Leave safe margins so nothing gets cropped on social feeds. Animate your elements, click any item and choose Animate to apply effects like baseline or pop. For custom motion, use Create an animation, drag the object along a path, and record the movement. Keep moves purposeful and short to maintain pace. Duplicate the page and slightly move, resize, or rotate elements to create a step-by-step sequence that feels dynamic but consistent. Between pages, click the plus icon to add transitions such as match and move or flow. Adjust the transition duration to smooth out changes, add music from the library, set each page's duration to match the beat, and if available, use Beat Sync to automate timing. Trim the track, fade in and out, and set music volume below any voiceover. Preview your video end to end, then go to Share, Download, and choose MP4 video. Export post, and you've got a polished product animation promo ready to go.